If you're still thinking AI in marketing is just about content creation, think again. The real disruption is happening behind the scenes, in the algorithms that decide whether your business even gets seen online. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on how AI is changing your industry. Today's digital visibility isn't just about impressing customers, it's about impressing algorithms. Google Ads, for example, doesn't just run your ad, it evaluates it using a web of AI systems. These systems decide how your content ranks, whether it gets shown, and what you'll pay per click. It's not just about your bid, it's about relevance, quality, and how well your content plays by the AI's rules. Now, throw in tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and other generative AIs that are replacing traditional search. People are asking these models for recommendations, and the AI's opinion shapes what gets suggested. But unlike search engines with defined ad systems, these models operate more like black boxes. Businesses must figure out how to optimize for AI visibility without clear guidelines. And here's where it gets really interesting, using AI to influence other AI. Tools now exist to help you optimize Google Ads, analyze performance, and refine your strategy. Even ChatGPT can help you configure campaigns more effectively. Essentially, smart marketers are now building AI strategies not just for content, but for how their businesses are interpreted by other AIs. To wrap up, the AI landscape is now shaping what your customers see, when they see it, and how often. If you want your business to stay visible, you need to understand the AI gatekeepers and use your own AI tools to meet them on their level. Watch the related video in the corner to see real-world tools you can use today to optimize your AI strategy.